Without mother tongue, when we stay actually with friends, fuck. When we stay with friends without actually using mother tongue, it's really tough to express something or to do fun. Since we are friends, we are not gonna speak English now. We are gonna ask a single question to each of my friends. So let's start this. So the question for Moshiur, what you have got specially in 2024?
Nothing, but my age is just 1 year.
He got a girlfriend from Department of Disaster Management.
কেউ আমাকে চেনে না ডিপার্টমেন্টে
Really?
ডিএমের কেউ চেনে না আমাকে
Oh, special. Oh, good luck. So here is Mustafa. I want to ask you that same question, that what you have got specially in 2024?
আমি কিছুই পাই না আমি শুধু এক বছর হারাইছি আমার
from batch 14
But oh my god, I have heard that you have many girlfriends.
No,
Oh my goodness. Have you really any girlfriend in disaster management?
no no one know me
আচ্ছা সবাই জানে
ডিএম ডিপার্টমেন্ট
সবাই জানে
সবাই জানে, of course. So here is Rajkumar, Rajar Kumar. So bro, what do you have got in 2024 especially?
কিছু না
You have got
nothing
shit, nothing. Olaben বুঝতে পারতেছেন না যে আসলে কি পাইছে. Here is Sujan. What do you have got specially in 2024?
above with on baby
Bro, what do you have got in 2024 especially? Ball.
Dahid
So here is Jahid from Dinajpur. Bro, what do you have got specially in 2024?
nothing
Nothing. Here's our senior Apu is coming and we are gonna ask something.
কি এগুলো চাল নাকি আপু
ছোট একটা ইন্টারভিউ নিতে
কিছু কর না আপনি
কিছুই পাওয়া যায় নাই